Now, here's a really fun tool that you can use. It's an attachment that you add to your liquid acrylic bottle, and I usually use golden because the liquid part is really consistent. So you just add this needle and then squeeze. So what you can do is just add a line wherever you want the line to be. And you can make little marks. You can make longer lines. Depends how steady your arm is or your hand. And you can mix it up. It's a really fun tool and really worth using if you like fine lines in your work. The thing that some people don't like is that the line is the same everywhere. Unlike a brush, there's no thick and thin. But if you like that, that's all you need. Then you wipe it. I should be using a cloth. And you put the needle back. There we go. And then if you keep this bottle in a plastic bag, the paint doesn't dry up and you can use it for a long time. I've been using this bottle for almost a year, so it lasts a long time. So that's the tip of the day. We'll see you in the next video.